my good friends Susan and Mary Crest.
They don't have any friends. All they know about is someone comes, yell.
That's me. I'm Gil. I'm handsome.
Meet our grandma.
Oh my God.
I know that ugly. It's him. It's Johnny Cat, the ugly dog.
You're going to fall off the settee. Okay, Mama. Don't go on the floor, Timba. Yeah. How much you betting he piddles on the floor?
1.
Timba! Come here, boy. Timba! Hello, beautiful. Hello. Where have you gone? Not had you quite 24 hours, have we yet? And he's such a good boy. Don't do pee-pees. No pee-pees. Put him on newspaper, Emma, please. Put him on the news. Oh, no. That's a big one. On the newspaper. Oh, dear. We missed it, didn't we? Never mind. Constant stream of mopping up, isn't it, Timba? Well, you don't do poo-poos. Oh, Emma is doing another one. Oh, newspaper. You're going to sit with him, Emma? Yeah. Going to rename him Tiddles, aren't we, Emma? Because he tiddles all the time.
Yeah.
Oh, there's our baby, 8 weeks old.
Called Timba.
And Mr. Mischief.
Yes, best and good child. We were born
In March.
in March. So in 8
And what's he doing to you now?
being silly. And he on the floor and we's on the floor.
He'll get there, won't he? Eventually he'll find the right place. Outside to do his poo and his wee.
And on the newspaper.
Yeah. It seems to be missing at the moment, but it's only been less than a day we've had him, isn't it? But he's settled in.
And stinks.
He had to have a bath, didn't he?
Yeah, but not in his head.
Because he was smelly. So look at your face, Timba. Look at me. Look at me, who's a beautiful boy.
A beauty.
Mr. Mischief.
Mr. Mischief.
Who's Mr. Mischief?
I am.
Oh, don't let him do that.